welcome back to my channel. This is Shivangi Kumar, yours truly, and today I'm gonna be curling my hair without any heat, like the best way to curl your hair, the best way to spoiler alert. मेरा खुद का आइडिया नहीं है, मैंने कहीं वीडियो में देखा था and I really wanted to try it out. I saw this trick on some other YouTubers channel. I really don't remember. I would really love to give that credit to her, but I seriously don't remember. अगर मिल गया तो I'll obviously link it down below. But I really wanted to try that trick out because she had this big curls and it was effortless and everything. So I just thought, why not? Because I love curling my hair, but मैं रोज curler नहीं use करना चाहती. So but before we go into the video, I bought a ring light. I am shooting at night. Oh my god, I'm shooting at night. This is like 10 o'clock in the night and I'm shooting in my room, and this is like the new setup. And इससे मुझे और videos बनाने के मौके मिलेंगे because I have like light in my room ढेर सारी, so I can do that anytime. I am not dependent on the daylight now, so I'm really happy about it. It's the little things that counts. It's the little things that make me want to work more. So plus I'm loving the look. अभी एक जगराते से लौट के आई हूँ, तो this is something that I did. These are from Voila. The hair is the courtesy of Vega straightener, and this kurta I bought from Patel Market, Sector 15, Chandigarh. I'm loving this look. Okay, enough about me. Let's curl our hair. What I'm gonna do right now after detangling my hair is to just get my hair a little damp. So अगर मैं इसके बाद curl करूँ तो the curls stay. अगर मैं सूखे वालों पे कर्ल करना स्टार्ट करूंगी तो वो जो कर्ल्स है उनका जो इट्स नॉट गोना लास्ट फॉर मोर देन 2 hours or 3 hours, तो वो लूज हो जाएंगे. तो आई डू नॉट वांट दैट. आई वांट कि अगर मैंने आज कर्ल्स किए हैं तो 1-2 दिन तक चले, लूज हो जाए थोड़े बट 1-2 दिन तक चले. सो इट्स जस्ट अ बेसिक दैट I'm just gonna run some water through my hair and not get them very dripping damp. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna run my wet fingers through the hair so that I think this works, as you can see. So for this trick, the only thing that you need is a pair of stockings. That's it. Pick up your oldest pair of stockings. Don't throw these away because आज काम आएंगी ये. So what you're gonna do is place this over your head like this and clip them right here. So just like this, clip the stockings onto your head like this, and we're gonna be wrapping our hair onto these legs. It looks funny right now, but trust me, the result's gonna be amazing. So I have a mirror right here, so I'm gonna be looking down a lot, so don't mind that. So what we're gonna do is take each section of our hair and very neat and clean section, grab the leg and wrap it around like this, and keep adding sections to it and keep wrapping it around the stockings. Again, keep it as far as you want, because then you need to leave this overnight as well. So you're gonna be able, you want to sleep properly obviously, so just keep dragging it towards the back so that it doesn't bother you when you sleep. Make sure your hair is damp enough that it holds the curl. If you want like very loose curls, you can opt for like a thicker fabric. These stockings are quite thin, so yeah, The बाल सूख गए. I'm gonna dip my hand in water and just run fingers through the hair so that just like that. Yeah. I mean, take as much breaks as you want, because this my shoulder is tired already. So obviously it's gonna go back like this, but you're gonna have to secure it like this and keep it like this so that it doesn't open up easily. So I'm gonna be securing it with a bigger rubber band. It's almost done, and this okay, it's not staying, so you can always keep a pen here. Voila. Okay, now we're gonna do this side. Take a section like so and twirl. Keep adding to it and twirl. Keep adding to it and twirl. Ta-da! So what I'm gonna do is just remove my makeup and go to sleep, and in the morning I should hope for a miracle. Hey, okay, so this is the next day, and I did not have much trouble sleeping because I think मैं सीधा ही सो गई थी, and then these slid down and I was sleeping like this. It was a bit uncomfortable, but इतना ज़्यादा नहीं. So okay, so this didn't budge even a bit, and it's showtime. Let's just it's a knot. How do okay? I am like, I don't know what's gonna happen. Okay. I don't know why I'm nervous. Maybe I don't want this to feel like very badly, and this is not coming out. Ignore the sounds that you're hearing. My family has no chill. Okay. They'll be talking and talking and talking and talking. So this is how it turned out right now. So I like it. I was just hoping कि curls होते, but I realized कि if I'm twirling my hair around this thin fabric, so वो twirls नहीं आएंगे, but इस तरीके का crimping effect आएगा. If you want really like big curls, then use a thicker kapda to wrap your hair around. But I like it. It's giving me a kind of like bohemian look and everything, and it's perfect for a day out or a shopping or a date or everything. And no hairstyle is a bad hairstyle. This could be a amazing content for expectations versus reality. And but yeah, so I hope you like this video. I hope you like this attempt, and do let me know if you like it. If you don't, tab bhi bata dena. I'll try and improve on it. So until next time, till then, like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I bring new video every week. And you can go follow me on Instagram. My username is Spoiledbystyle. I'm basically everywhere. I have a Facebook page as well. I have a Pinterest page as well. So follow me everywhere. And so yeah, until next time.